Welcome to this edition of Innovative Insights. Today, we dive into Envato Elements, your one-stop destination for creative assets. Envato Elements offers millions of high-quality assets, stock videos, music tracks, templates, fonts, and more, all with a simple subscription. And whether you're editing videos, designing presentations, or creating social media content, Envato Elements empowers you to produce professional-grade results effortlessly. The Innovative Insights intro you just watched was created using Envato Elements. Stay tuned for more episodes and don't forget to subscribe for exciting updates. Transform your projects with Envato Elements, where creativity meets simplicity. Explore today and unlock your creative potential.